Hello. So today, I went to the card shop and opened it off, and I did it off camera. But I got some 2019 High Tek, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So right now, I'm gonna start with some base cards. I got a Lorenzo Kane. Ooh. Dang. A Lorenzo Kane card. Yeah. Miguel Cabrera. Get over there. Rowdy Tellez rookie. A Juan Soto. Brian Anderson. Pedro Martinez. George Brett. Paul Goldschmidt. And George Alfaro. Don't know if I said that right though. And I'm gonna get some more. So here's some number cards that I got. Randy Johnson, 50 out of 99. Todd Helton, 139 out of 150. Noah Syndergaard, 94.99. And that's it for the numbered. I got a Rafael Devers and Manny Machado. And I picked up some Mike Trouts. All-Star Game. It's like 2017 or something. Pretty sure it's 2017. 2014. Miguel. I don't know which Cabrera that is. Let me see. Yeah, Miguel Cabrera, Mike Trout, and Adrian Beltre. Chris Davis, Nelson Cruz, and Mike Trout. You know, I just gotta get some of those because he won MVP. And for my hits, I'm gonna start out with the. Oh, hold on. One more numbered card. Oh, I forgot about that. There we go. And that's Paul Goldschmidt. Now for my hits. Gonna do the not as good ones, and then the ones that are better. Man, I'm having a pretty crappy stand right now. I'm sorry about this stand. It's terribly bad today. A Rowdy Tellez rookie auto is good. Okay, that's good. A Miguel Andujar. See the back? That looks cool. I like their acetate. Out of 70. And a nice John Smoltz Hall of Famer right there. Woohoo! See the back. This one. So, these are real nice cards. Always love these. Their acetate is so nice. Always will buy them. So, thank you, and for that, peace.